All right, we're going to get started with the white belt hand technique. So we're going to put our hands up in guard position, and we're going to get into a sparring stance, and our front hand is going to be our jab, our back hand is going to be our cross. And when we go to punch, we're going to rotate that hand at the very last second. Boom, rotating. Hitting with the top two knuckles right here, not with the pinky and ring finger, just our pointer and our middle finger on those top knuckles. Next, we are going to be doing a knife hand. So we're going to open up that hand. We're going to not put it on the same ear. We're going to go across to the opposite ear, taking the other hand underneath, and we're going to come out, and it's going to stay flat, and at the last second, again, flip over and rotate, hitting with the blade of our hand, not your pinky though. So again, knife hand, we cross and hug, stack those elbows on each other, and line them up, and then come out and rotate and flip. Next is going to be our hammer fist. So we're going to take our hand right by our ear, and we're going to line up everything, hitting with this part of our hand, just like we made our fist for our punches, curling over, taking our thumb on the inside, squeeze that thumb as tight as you can, and when we're coming down, boom, hitting the board or the object, it could be a target as well, or the bag, with just below our pinky. I don't want to hit my pinky and I don't want to hit my wrist, so right in between is that sweet spot. Next up is going to be our elbow strike. So taking your hand, just to start off first, and putting it right on your chest, and then grabbing your shirt. Putting your other hand for control and pushing against you. Now later on when you're more advanced, maybe you can take this hand away. But we're going to be not hitting with the tip of our elbow, but right here, just on the inside of that. Don't go up onto your your wrist area, go to where your forearm is. There's a big old muscle that pokes out right there, and that's what we're trying to hit with. And we're gonna take it straight behind us and drive it forward. Now, the part that we hit with, again, is right here on our forearm, but afterwards, after we hit, we're gonna slice with the tip of our elbow. All right, our last hand technique is going to be our palm heel strike for our white belts. So at the very bottom of your hand, this is your palm, the heel of it right here at the bottom is what we're actually going to strike with. We're going to pull those fingers back, put that thumb on the side, and we're actually going to start it upside down. First, we can start on our belt to learn this technique, and it's going to go elbow pointing back and driving our body forward and striking with the heel of our palm. Now, if you were doing it from guard position, it's just going to start here and rotate and flip at the very last second as well. But the main part that we are hitting with is the heel of our palm. And that ends our hand technique section.